So like gunpowder?
It's set up in a certain way where some parts burn slower than others, and that's how they set off the balls. Like this. This burns really slow. So they can set off the bigger stuff.
Little cunt for new phrase, just to let y'all know, so.
Okay, cool. No, don't cut it open.
I'm gonna cut it open.
No, why?
Because we can make a bigger ass bomb.
Shit.
You got a lighter?
No, what? No, we ain't doing that shit.
We're just gonna light it on fire.
We're gonna have to
Use
get
it for Science Day.
We sure could, actually. I don't have my lab coat, though.
I don't have my lab coat. Oh, man. That thing's fucking insulated.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, shit.
Fucking multi-layer.
Fucking cardboard.
It's probably pretty packed on the inside down there. Here, cut that bitch off. Christ. Don't lose a finger.
Ow.
You alright there?
Yeah, man. Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh,
You're gonna use it for Science Day. It's a segment we got on the channel.
Ah! Is that
Damn.
pink? Come on, you little bitch. Oh, look at that! I got a little ball now. Ah, little bitch.
Got another ball.
Did you really?
Right here.
No, yeah.
God damn, get it though. Oh shit, man.
That's black powder.
That is black powder.
Ow.
Our
Roll,
fireworks the best.
Roll, roll your joint. There's 5, Chris. There's 5.
Yep.
I have a finger stuck. Get it out. We're good. We're good.
Let's save these.
Okay, can we light the graphite on fire now?
Yeah, yes. Let's all just take a step back, though.
No. Give me that bitch.
No.
Give me that bitch.
Oh. Don't we need some water or something in case?
We got boots.
You really have to take a trip down here in the fire thing?
We don't have a fire truck anymore.
Well, now we're even more fucked.
That's the fire truck.
Oh, Christ. Now we're even more fucked if it's in your hands.
Hold on, dude. You gotta put the graphite on there so it'll catch on fire.
Shit. Back the fuck up.
Yeah!
Here. We're using this one. Oh, that's too much of a powerful stream. We'll go easy. Nope, never mind.
I'm not lighting that fuse. I'm just gonna throw a cigarette at it.
Alright.
Oh, speaking of which.
Speaking of which, you gotta light it. Did you get recording?
Yeah, the sulfur.
Chris, give me your damn lighter. I don't care about that one. It's broken. Light it and go.
Oh my god!
It didn't go where I wanted it to.
This is weak.
Disappointment.
Oh, shit's happening! Shit's happening! Don't do that. I don't want that can catching on fire and you having to throw it.
Boom! Ah, that burn. Take a whiff.
Dude, that's just filler, man.
I know. I want it to burn.
Here, let me see the can.
This just smells good.
Use the axe now.
Do the axe.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
No,
We'll stomp it out, we'll stomp it out, we'll
No,
stomp it
this is my lumber, man.
out. Okay, go suit that over.
Make a fire.
Oh,
There's a little bit over here.
I'm tread. Just help me. Right there.
Jeez. I can feel the heat.
I can feel the heat.
Fucking smell the fucking death.
Smells like a fuck boy.
Smells like a fuck boy on fire. This has still got shit in it too.
It smells like a mixture of cardboard and a fuck boy.
A homeless fuckboy.
I like that sound.
Me too.
The flames give you a Woody.
Yes.
Oh shit. Near death experience.
Guys, extra credits in this video for Jesus.
Oh, on our way up here, Chris burnt part of his mustache off. Lighting a cigarette.
Chris, do we have any gasoline?
No, but I got plastic.
Oh.
Good enough.
Just finding stuff. Let's find more stuff to set on fire.
Plastic's always fun to burn.
Chris, let's siphon gas out of the trailer. Or tractor, I mean. Are those matches?
You remember?
Oh,
It's
fuck
empty. It's empty, but do you remember?
it. Yes.
It's just a piece of cardboard.
Hell, I don't know.
I'll go find some more shit.
Okay. Yeah, well, this ain't gonna last long, Ryan.
I probably shouldn't have put the can of axe in there with my hand.